Dear students, good morning. How are you all? Chapter number 1, Number System. In class 6, we studied natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. What is integers? Integers means positive number, 0 and negative numbers are called integers. First of all, you draw the number line. So you put the point of center place 0. 0 left side number is positive numbers. 0 right side number is negative number. Therefore, positive direction and another side negative direction. Addition of integers. That formula means same symbol. Same symbol means two integers of same symbol plus add symbol means positive numbers. Subtract and subtract numbers added for same negative symbol and different symbol of integers are subtracted. Example, -5 and +3 different symbol, both are different symbol. So subtracted of greatest number to smallest number. Greatest number is 5, smallest number is 3. 5 subtracted of 3 is 2. Which number is greatest? That symbol is minus. You put the symbol of -2. Example 1.1. Add the following integers using number line. First one, 10 and -15. Second subdivision, -7 and -9. First of all of read the questions. Add the following integers. So add 10 and -15. Second you write and symbol means plus. So 10 plus -15. So which number is greatest number? -15. So 15 subtracted of 10 is equal to 5. 15 symbol is greatest. So minus symbol is greatest. So -5. You draw the number line. First we draw the number line. Put the point of 0 center place. Left side the positive direction of number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And right side the negative direction of the number is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11, -12, -13, -14, -15. First of all, plus 10. Plus 10 means 10 units positive side move towards. So 10 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 units moving from positive direction. Next, -15 means minus is negative side. Negative direction is right side. So next 15 units right side moving. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 units moving off right side. The answer is -5. Using the number line, 10 and -15 is equal to minus. 10 plus -15 is equal to -5. Second one, -7 and -9. We write -7 plus -9. Both are same direction. Same direction means addition. 7 plus 9 added of 16. Which symbol is both are same? Minus symbol. So minus 16. Using the number line means 0, 1 positive direction. Next right side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, minus 15, minus 16, minus 17, minus 18, minus 19. So 0, integers of 0 center place, left side positive numbers, right side negative numbers. So first one minus 7, 0 to moving of left side, right side, 7 units moving. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 units right side moving. So next same symbol means continuous. Minus 9 means right side moving. So next 9 units moving of right side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So using the number line, direction of minus 7 plus minus 9 is equal to minus 16. Add minus 40 and 30. Second subdivision 60 and minus 50. First one minus 40 plus 30. Both are different direction. Different direction means subtraction. 40 subtracted of 30 is 10. Which number is greatest number? 40. Symbol is minus. So minus 10.
What is the meaning of
Second one 60 plus minus 50. Both are different symbol. So 60 subtracted of 50 means 10. Which number is greatest? 60. Symbol is plus. So plus 10. Next example 1.3. Add minus 70 and minus 12. Second subdivision 103 and 39. First one minus 70 plus minus 12. Same direction. So minus minus. Same direction means add. Last symbol is minus. So 70 plus 12 82. Symbol is same symbol means so minus 82. Second 103 plus 39. Same symbol. So 103 plus 39. 9 plus 3 12. Balance 1. 3 plus 1 4 1. So plus 142. Example 1.4. A submarine is at 32 feet below the sea level. Then it moves up 8 feet. Find the depth of submarine. Submarine அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு நீர்மூழ்கி கப்பல். இந்த நீர்மூழ்கி கப்பல் பிலோ அப்படின்னா டிகிரிஸ், அந்த கடலுக்குள்ளே எத்தனை ஃபீட் வந்து கீழே போகுது அப்படின்னா 32 ஃபீட். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு அது வந்து எத்தனை ஃபீட் மூவ் ஆகுது மேலே அப்படின்னா 8 ஃபீட் மூவ் ஆகுது. ஃபைண்ட் தி டெப்த் ஆஃப் சப்மெரின் அப்படின்னா அந்த சப்மெரினானது நீர்மூழ்கி கப்பல் எவ்வளோ தூரம் ஆழம், டெப்த்துங்கிறது ஆழம், எவ்வளோ தூரம் ஆழமாக போயிருக்கு அப்படிங்கிறத தான் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஃபைண்ட் அவுட். So therefore a submarine is at 32 feet below the sea level. So it is represented by below means minus 32. Next, then it moves up 8 feet. It is represented by by plus 8. Find the depth of submarine. Therefore, the depth of the submarine is equal to minus 32 plus 8. Both are different symbols, so subtraction. 32 subtracted of 8 is equal to minus 24. Therefore, the depth of submarine is equal to minus 24. எவ்வளோ தூரம் ஆழமாக இருக்குது? 24 feet வந்து below ஆழமாக இருக்குது இந்த சப்மெரின் நீர்மூழ்கி கப்பல். Next, example 1.5. Sita saved rupees 225 and she has spent rupees 400 on credit basis for the purchase of stationery. Find her due amount. Sita எவ்வளோ சேவ் பண்ணிக்கா அப்படின்னா 225. ஆனால் எவ்வளோ பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணிக்கா செலவு பண்ணிக்கா அப்படின்னா 400. ஸோ பேலன்ஸ் வந்து இன்னும் அவள் எவ்வளோ அங்கே கிரெடிட் பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் கொஸ்டின். First one, the amount Sita has rupees 225. The amount spent for stationery on credit is equal to rupees 400. Therefore, the due amount to be paid is equal to 400 rupees. 400 subtracted of rupees 225. 400 subtracted of 200. Para 10, 9, 3. 10 subtracted of 5 is 5. 9 subtracted of 2 is 7. 3 subtracted of 2 is 1. So therefore, rupees 175. The due amount to be paid is rupees 175. Example 1.6. From the ground floor, a man went up 6 floors and came down 6 floors. In which floor is he now? இப்போ ஒரு ஆள் கீழே கிரவுண்ட் ஃப்ளோரில் நிற்கிறாரு. 6 floors வந்து மேலே போகிறாரு. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 6 floors கீழே வர்றாரு. இப்போ அவர் எங்கே இருக்கிறாரு அப்படிங்கிறது தான் இந்த கொஸ்டின். ஸோ ஸ்டார்டிங் பாயிண்ட் ground floor. Number of floors climbed up plus 6. Climbed up first 6 floors வந்து என்னது மேலே போகிறாரு. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு number of floors climbed down. கீழே எத்தனை ஸ்டெப்ஸ் கீழே வர்றாரு? 6. So climb down means subtraction symbol, up means positive symbols. So next the leading point. Therefore, the leading point is equal to plus 6 plus minus 6. Both are different symbols. So plus 6 minus 6 subtracted is 0. 0 means ground floor. Thank you, students.